Hello everyone, welcome to TekWek. In this video of Files by Google, we are going to see how we can manage our starred files. So what is a starred file? To easily access frequently used files, you can mark them as a starred in Files by Google. Starred can be referred as the favorite one. So the files which you are visiting regularly, you can simply make them favorite and you can access from the collection starred. Okay. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind that if you install and reinstall the application, you need to mark your files as a starred again. I mean the files which you already have marked as starred, once you uninstall the application, it will not remember and again you have to mark all those files as a starred. How you can make any files as a starred? So first we'll see the single file and then we'll see multiple files. So suppose I'm going into documents and I do have some of the books which I want to mark it as a start. Okay. So let's say, so this is one book which I want to mark as a start. I'll click on three dot and then I'll click on it start. Okay. Suppose for you it is visible this way, which is list view. Then you can simply select the file. You can click on this three dot and add to start, or either you can click here and then you can click to start. Okay, for a single file. Suppose you have selected multiple file, then you can simply go to this three dot and then click on a start. Okay, so all these files you have added to start. How will you see? So here you can see the star icon on every books which are added to start. Okay, all the files, all the images you can add to here. Okay, now we'll see how we can unmark it. So for a single file, you can simply click here, remove from start, and the star icon will disappear. Similarly, for any other file, you can simply go here and remove from start. But if you want to do it for multiple files, you can simply select, okay, all the start files, and you can go here, and then you can click on remove from start. But there is an easier way how you can unstart these files. Okay, that means you can remove it from your favorite. So suppose you have done it for 100 of documents or images, then go to collection start, and once you go here, all those files will appear here, right? Select all of them here. So you can select all and then you can click on remove from start. So this is one of the hidden trick that you can use. So once it is appearing in your collection starred one, then what you can do, you can select all of them and you can simply remove from the starred one. So this is how you can manage your bookmarked or starred or favorite files in Files by Google application. So I hope you learned this trick, and now onwards you will use this trick into your Files by Google application. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.